All right, YouTube, welcome back. Welcome back. Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Tuesday, 5th of March. We're getting into it today. We're getting stuck in. Let me just make sure you guys can hear me all good. Let me see where we are. Good morning, good morning. Hey, Scott. Good morning, man. Grams, good morning. Good morning, good morning. Good to have you guys back on. You can hear me? Cool. Thank you, Brian. Thank you, man. Thank you. I'll let everyone in Zoom here. First time tuning in. What's up? Hey, what's going on, man? Welcome to the stream. Pleasure to have you on, man. If it's your first time here, welcome. Hopefully you take some value away from today's live stream. I'll break down the charts. I'm just going to get the Zoom guys in. YouTube guys, drop a little like for the stream. I'm going to let the guys in on Zoom here. And then we will get started in a minute once we get this hourly close. Zoom guys are coming in. Let me record the Zoom.
Recording in progress.
Beautiful. Where's the chat? Over here. All right, cool. Good morning, Zoom guys. Welcome back. Good morning. David, what's going on? Hey there from Wellington, New Zealand. Hey, welcome. Great buy. Yeah, thank you, man. Yep, thank you. Nice little scalp. Good morning, Brian. Good morning, man. Morning, Mary.
Did longs there.
You almost did?
I nearly did. I was waiting for a little, come 5 minutes, for like a label going across. I was waiting for a little wick down, then I would have entered. No entry.
Let's have a look. We got USD PMI today. We got some US dollar news. 3 p.m. London time. It's quite late. I won't be watching that, but you should be getting plenty of moves before that. Cade's joining again. Look at this. Cade's back. Stephen fell went above the close. Yep.
You've been kicked out or something.
Yeah, I like that level, man. I like that. That hourly, just grabbing previous hourly lows of the double top sitting above. I'm out of this little long. I'll get rid of this picture in a second.
The both 5 minutes have just ripped without giving. I just don't want to rip like enter for the sake of it because I know it's coming. I still want to wait for a setup.
Yeah. We're gonna get this. Hourly close in about 1 minute 50 here. And then once we get this close, I'll break it all down. If you guys do a little bit of top down here. We'll see this hourly close could be the decider if we get a trade in the next hour. So before I start going on the daily and all that, I'm just watching this chart down here to see how this hourly closes, because you have just very quickly, you have a double top above here on gold. You've just grabbed previous hourly lows. 30-minute also has this double top. Just grabbed all three of these previous three lows. You've just wicked all of them down. And now you're starting to close back above. I took these buys previously, as we spoke about in Discord. Good job to you guys who did get that. I know Ron got that position as well, which is very nice. And some of you guys did get the buys from like around here to continue pushing up, which was very nice. What can I hide this? Let's get rid of that now though. So yeah, this 15 and hourly and 30 are all going to close in 50 seconds. I'm just going to see how this closes. If we get a strong close, you could have a quick scalp up back to the highs here if we open with a nice instant bottom wick for like 30 ticks. So let's be ready for it. Let's see if we can get this on the Top Step X platform as well here. Let's see. 3:45. Yeah, it was at 3:45 London time. Yeah, it's fucking ridiculous, man. It's crazy time to start.
I'm not getting it then.
Hell no. Fucking no.
And
Alad will just be pulling all-nighters.
Yeah. Oh, just get like a coffee drip. Replaced.
Oil, did you say? Oil.
Yeah, oil, yeah. Oh, thanks, Brian. Appreciate that.
Give you a number, I'll call you next time. Nice little head and shoulders there on oil.
Yeah.
Alright, so hourly on gold has just closed here. I'm going to zoom into this hourly chart so you guys can see it properly. Currently got a 1, 2, 3 hourly equal highs after a big run up yesterday. I'll do the top down in a second. I'll give you guys the whole outlook for today, but I'm just waiting to see if we can snipe this potential push to highs. Ron's joining. I'm going to watch this on 15. We're creating a little 15 double top. I'd like to see this wick down a little bit more before seeing these buys up into this resistance area. Let's have a quick look at the top step X tilt as well. See what the stats are saying. 59% people are long on gold right now. You'd expect there to be more sellers in the market. You'd expect more people trying to sell this resistance like this is what I would imagine most people are probably trying to do right now. So if we can see that spike up into that and probably risk off the previous 15 low, I think that's more than enough. You could have a nice trade. I'm going to drop down to the 5 minute here to see how it's looking. Taking a 5 minute snipe in a while, but top grabbing previous 5 lows and re-breaking its high, that would give you minimum 20. Yeah, fantastic, amazing. That's what we like to see. So we're grabbing previous 5 minute lows here, watching this little level here. See if we start bouncing from here. What would you be risking if you take a little retest? You'd be risking 11 to re-push back higher, or if you wait for the break of the high or wait for it to close, start to reject, we'll look for that. So we'll wait for this 5 minute to close here. If it closes below, then I'll do the full top down for you guys, but the reason I'm not going to do the top down right now is because I don't want to miss this potential scalp up, because from anywhere around here back up into them highs, you're talking like a nice little 1 to 2 risk reward. If you close below this previous 5 low, then I need to close back above, because you did just wick the highs first. You just grabbed the highs and now starting to push back down. If you left a double top, I'd probably be looking to market execute from here. But because you grabbed the highs first, if it doesn't re-break the high, it won't push. If we break the previous hourly low, we'll wait for some sort of rejections. But the kind of little level I'm watching here is, around this. Yo. Hey, Tony. Sorry, man.
I've got the double top. Like,
like this? Yeah, it's nice, man, yeah. I like that. I like that. If we break these hourly lows, we'll probably have to wait for a little bit. Then if we do, let me see how this 30's looking. Yeah, you did just grab previous 30 highs. There's a little 5 minute double top, but you did actually also just wait previous 30 minute highs, which is where I would be break even if I was buying gold. So
yeah.
I'll be watching this. I'll be watching around here. If we start rejecting this, amazing. You come in that close that low now, you're probably going to re-break it. So a few more guys are still joining. I'll do Mark's joining. I'll do the full. I took yesterday's rally off gold, capital double overnight. Yeah. Gold had an absolutely ridiculous run again last night. Absolutely insane run, which I'll break down with you guys as well. That's the thing on gold, when gold gets round to levels of like all-time highs where there's just no resistance to the left, just clean areas, it can just break through it. It can just keep pushing. You're going to be watching this all-time high here, and that's why I said don't sell gold yesterday. I didn't take any sells on gold. Buy up into these highs, and that could have been your trade. Then once you came into these highs, you just absolutely ran with like just no stopping. Hey bro, how are you? I'm good, thank you, man. I'm good. Hope you're doing well. But let's do a little bit of top down. Right, let's have a look. Let's have a look here. So we'll start on this chart here. We'll have a quick look at this daily and the levels that we kind of spoke about yesterday. Fuck, you've closed all the way back above 1,100 again. That was ridiculous. I say again, that's the first time we've ever actually closed above that. So next level is going to be 2,150, which is all the way up there. So I'm going to get rid of. Let me get rid of these levels. We'll do these again in a second. So this was the double top area that we were speaking about yesterday. Any bottom weight buys up into that were very, very nice. And you've seen yesterday just absolutely just exploded through gold yesterday. You just, as soon as you break this resistance here, it's just clean drives. And you could see one more drive today. It's probably one of the biggest runs we've seen since back when we had this, even when we had this war news. This was when you had the war news back in October. And you didn't even have as crazy as a run as you've had here. Even when you broke all-time highs here, we never had as crazy as a run here. You know, to see one day smash almost 500 ticks in one day, to see the next day run another 400 is absolutely insane. Damn, in one day. Yeah, good day, mate. Yeah, what's going on, Matt? So yeah, gold is obviously very bullish. We know gold's bullish. Yesterday's close bullish. You haven't quite yet grabbed yesterday's high, so that could be a target for today. There's not really much to say on this weekly. The next level above is 2,150 and this previous all-time high that looks like a pretty easy target to come down and grab next. So that's the daily. We won't spend too much time looking at that. It's just fucking bullish. Get rid of these now. These never got grabbed. This 4 hour has come down, found some support, grabbed previous 4 hour lows and started to push back up. This current 4 hours creating a pretty nice bottom wick here and leaving this daily double top sitting just above here. So we're pretty much looking to see if gold, exactly the same thing as yesterday, even if we're going to see a deep retracement back down, gold's going to grab these highs and then have the push. So same as what we said yesterday, in every scenario, if gold's going to push down, we're going to grab the highs. And if we're going to push higher, obviously we're going to break the highs. So in any scenario today, the exact same as yesterday, we are looking for these highs here. Today, we're looking for these highs here. So that's the 4 hour. Just insanely bullish. We've left this beautiful double top here, which I like very much. You can kind of see you got this sort of left shoulder, head, potential right shoulder around here to watch to see this push back up. So I am interested in seeing bottom wick areas like around here to see if we can see this push back up. Let me just see how this moved yesterday. Yeah, you kind of left that double bottom yesterday as well. You're kind of a little double bottom here as well. That doesn't mean you can't, you know, maybe look for this and then look for this back down before then just continue to push. Obviously, with gold being so bullish, like I said yesterday, I have zero interest in shorts on gold. Zero interest in shorts. If I do get any shorts, it'd be a very small pullback. But the way that this double tops in here, and the overall overall trend is very bullish. I love this setup actually. So I'm very keen to keep following the trend and keep following the liquidity here today. And that's all there really is to say at the high time frame. We've had such a big move yesterday. There's nothing to look back to left other than what we're looking at right here. So we don't need to look back far in advance. But, oh, we got this resistance here. This is what we're working with right now here, and just clean traffic all the way up. So very, very nice areas on gold today. Very nice areas. Lovely double top in an overall bullish uptrend. It's exactly what we want to see. So that's the hourly. We'll make this the 30 and we'll make this the 15. You know, previous hourly has come down, found support here, and also grabbed previous hourly lows. You're creating a little double bottom again, so you're going to spike this out a little bit more. Amazing what you're doing right now. Then you can see on this hourly, you got 1, 2, 3 hourly equal highs. So once we do find some support, you know, to buy it up into even previous hourly highs is 25, back up into here's like 50. So nice double top and nice ranges today on gold. Much more pips on the cards to play these ranges than we did have yesterday. So I think we should be in for a pretty nice day once we start finding the support. Look for the longs. If we were to flip the bias and take the shorts down into the lows down here, I wouldn't take that until you start closing aggressively down below there. Otherwise, to start fighting the current moves we've seen on gold this week and last week, just kind of goes against the trends. Almost trying to take a trade for the sake of it. So start to close back above here. Previous 4 hours bullish, and we can look for them longs. Good morning Martin, good morning man. What's the liquidity? Yeah, I love the daily highs, man. If you'd bought into the daily highs yesterday, yeah, man, it was just ridiculous. You do have a little double bottom down here as well, which I think is quite interesting. Yeah. These were the liquidity levels from yesterday. Is that perfect double top again in the London session, which we've seen, I think, every day since like last Thursday. London's left perfect double bottoms. US has absolutely rinsed them. Very nice kind of little 3-pin pattern here on the 15 here as well. Taking buys off the retest. This retest candle, risking off that low is a very, very nice trade as well. Same again here. Little morning star. There's an amazing push. This push came in at about 1:30 London time, so New York Open, and it just did not stop. Even if you just took you guys who took the buys into these highs yesterday, what we were talking about, man, that's still 60 ticks. Don't see this move and get fear of missing out. You took 60 ticks. That's fucking fantastic. That could literally be your week done. Good morning, man. Good morning. Smash those likes, people. Always learning from this guy. Thank you, Wayne. Yep, smash the likes. Smash the likes. See if you get some pushes on gold today. On gold, we're starting to correct more than we did yesterday. So we're like currently like in this move of what we were looking at yesterday, and this didn't come into like 9:30. So we're already ahead of the game today, which is nice. We had these buys up pre-London, well, kind of Asia to be honest. And now pre-London right now, look at even this double top here. Very nice. Very, very nice.
Very nice, very good.
Very good.
Sorry, but I've been just trying to do analysis on oil. I think it moves differently, but
yeah, let's have a look, man. I've got to look at oil. Have a look at some other stuff.
Just realised as well, I generally look like an egghead, don't I'm so far done out of it, guys.
Everyone's secretly posting in the chat, not telling you.
Yeah, snapshot filters.
Lovely analysis and
Jesus, I didn't realise Class Kent was doing alcohol.
Go on.
Is it not worth it?
Lovely analysis and discipline. I'm considering joining Discord. Do you trade other instruments as well? Thank you, man. Thank you. No, I personally just trade gold, man. But some of the other guys trade other futures like Nasdaq, S&P. Aled talking about oil, which will break down oil as well. Cattle. A little bit of soybeans, orange juice. God, you can't forget the orange juice futures. Orange juice on some amazing runs last year. Let's see where we're at. I think we dipped quite a lot actually. Let's have a look. Oh, starting to recover on the old OJ. Look at this. 35% recovery on OJ. Very nice. Oil. Yeah, let's have a look at oil. Oil. Let's have a look. Let me get rid of everything. Let's get rid of everything. Let's do oil from scratch. Get rid of that. Alright, let's do a quick little bit of top down here on oil. Let me have a quick look at this monthly. How is the January close? Ooh, a lot of juicy lows down here on oil. Grabbing previous monthly highs on oil. Last month was bullish. Grabbed a lot of this double top, triple top here. It's just pretty nice. This weekly starts closing below on oil. All of these lows here look very interesting to me on oil. All of these lows here. So I'll be watching this low down here, which on oil sits back pretty nicely around $70. So I'll be watching $70 on oil, and you've tapped back into 80. So you're playing between 80 and 70, and you know that's a very, very big range. It's what, 1,000 tick range. That's the weekly.
That's huge.
Yeah, huge, man. Daily closed nice and bearish, back below this resistance after grabbing the highs. Initial push down here this morning. Pretty corrective. That surprised me to grab the highs one more time. Let me see. Let me put this as style. What do we do here? We do this at 50%. There you go. And then support level we'll do at 100, which is 100% hit. Yeah, I think oil finds some support and starts back up a little bit. Its move. It had this lovely down, and you kind of slowly creeping down. You could easily top the 4 and taking advantage of that top wick. Could pretty much be your trade for the day. It's quite interesting how when you have special you top rebounds and here, and you still bullish. It's messy, but last bullish. So to bring up into the levels of $80 one more time, pretty nice. I would be all. Yeah, I know. It's crazy, man.
Yeah, it's quite interesting. A few times now we've been like, I think I'm fortunate buying forward just in it.
Yeah.
When I see like double tops and double bottoms, it creates them, but then flips from them. Just like this morning on the 5 minute, I was targeting that double top. But then it just dropped through the trend line, so possibly it reacts to trend lines better than levels. I don't know.
Yeah, possibly, man. There you go, Mark. I just gave you a bullish engulfing there, man. I hope you like that.
No.
If you want to see another bullish.
Exactly what I needed, mate. It's a lot clearer now, thank you.
Yeah, that's all good, man. That's what we're here for.
Just to clarify, these 5 minute candles also.
What's our Goldie doing? Goldie 15 close bearish, no bottom wick. Cool. Yeah, oil could give. If oil starts to find some support, could give some nice plays. How's the 3 hour look on oil? Yeah, it looks like you're gonna correct up a lot. It's oil's an interesting one because when you look at gold on the 4 hour, you're like, oh man, gold's so clean. I look at oil on the 4 hour, I'm like, fuck man, look at this. Huge bearish push, straight back up, straight back down. Bullish push, straight back down. Bearish push, straight back up. Like it's even fucking messy on even like the 4 hour. So I don't know what the sweet spot of time frame to trade oil is.
Yeah.
I'm sure some people are getting into trading platinum. Trading platinum futures. Fucking hell. Yeah, fuck that. I'm alright. Give that a little miss. Goldie, Goldie, Goldie. 15. 2110 still a valid level. Let me have a look, man. 211053. This low, this one here, I believe. Yeah. Yeah. It is. Well, it's a difficult one because it's a low that grabbed the previous low, so it's kind of a liquidity grab in itself. The only way I would be watching it is if you come close to it again and then bounce. Then I'll be more so looking at this level of support as the retail trap, and this being the lowest point. But right now, I'm not that interested in it at the minute. Because, yeah, that is a liquidity grab of previous lows. You broke back above, retest, and push higher. Unless it's like a double bottom on another time frame, maybe. Let's have a look. No, 38 grabbed the lows nicely. Hourly didn't re-grab the lows. Yeah, it's difficult. Possibly. It could come into play. Like if you start closing bearish, like back below here, then yeah, I would be watching to come back down to this support. And then once you bounce off here, then yeah, I would be looking at that. On the hourly, it looks likely, but on the 4 hour, it doesn't look like it needs to. Because you kind of pushed up, rejected, grabbed the lows, pushed higher. But yeah, if you start closing bearish, like back below here, then yeah, I would be watching it. Yeah, definitely, man, definitely. I'm not too worried about it right now, but if we do come near it, definitely. Passed 100k 2 weeks back and took a break. That goes to a missed insane rally on gold from Friday and yesterday. Yeah, some insane runs, man. Absolutely insane runs. Quality's broken? Let me have a look. Let me see. It should be all good. I'll check it. Let me just have a look. Yeah, it looks a little bit laggy. I don't know why. My internet's perfect, so I don't really know why. Yeah, we'll get better. I'll just turn my Wi-Fi off my phone. Not that it really makes a difference, but I think it's something to do with my settings, to be honest. Yeah, it might flip bullish. Yeah, maybe. It needs to close back above now. In terms of trading, what we see, we just closed below this level, top Wickenham, and you know, we could see this, like this. But yeah, that 15 did close like pretty perfectly on this support with no bottom wick. So if you do start closing above, that would be amazing for us. That'd be amazing. Good life for me, start falling behind and drops off. Yeah, that's weird. Yeah, I don't know why. Let's watch this on the 5. We got 7 minutes till this 30 is going to close as well. That 5 is a pretty nice. Oh, I hope it does that. It's a nice little 5-minute closure. This 5 minutes starts closing back above. Could be some buys on the card for gold, and you're going to have a trend line coming down like this as well. So people will try and short this trend line. You could be looking for that push back up. Always been lagging every stream. Yeah, I think it's my computer. It's so hot right now.
Yeah. Banned. It's freezing as well.
Let me turn that on. Yeah, my computer's hot. We're running like TradingView, recording Zoom, Google Chrome. Too much stuff for these stupid little Macs to handle. See if this 5-minute closes above here. Yeah, some nice volume. Yeah, some very nice volume coming in here. This is some very nice volume. A little double bottom there. You just grab that. It's starting to close back above. Very nice.
Let's see.
5 minutes just closed back above there, which is nice. I like that. Nice 5 minute closure back above. Into an instant bottom wick back down at this level right here. It's a pretty nice level actually. Like here. It's kind of messy.
50's looking nice now, eh?
Yeah. $30.
See where your
4
low is.
minutes.
I think we're on the 15. And the level going across there. Yeah. That's what I'm looking at. Yeah. Close about there, didn't I say?
Yeah, it would be, man. We got a little 5 minute double top here.
Yeah.
You probably just. You're gonna get the next 30 bottom wick anyway. How's the 15 looking? 15's not looking great just yet. You may as well wait for the 15 to close because, like we always say, even if this 15 closes above, the 15 is still going to give the bottom weight before pushing higher. So trying to take it on the last 5 minutes of the 15 and 30, you may as well just wait. It's not just going to, I mean, it's possible, but it's unlikely just going to, next 30 is going to open and just rip. Knowing our luck. Knowing our London luck.
You see the Gunners score last night?
No, I didn't, man. I didn't. Who are they playing?
Huge win. Huge win.
Really?
Baby.
6-0. Jesus.
Yeah. Take us back on.
I almost wore the jersey today, but I didn't want everyone to assume I'm English.
Yeah, good shout.
I send you a Swansea one.
I bought this jersey in Ho Chi Minh for like $30, and the dude apparently gets it from the supplier that have the actual player jerseys. But this thing is like one of one. Like the quality's insane.
Is that serious? Yeah.
Why is that lagging, man?
Send some over, Mark.
Ship the goods.
You can be a supplier.
I'll find you one with the 3 lines on it to parade around.
Two minutes, this five's gonna close. Do you take buy yesterday? Yeah, I had some buys yesterday, man. I didn't hold it up anywhere near to these highs. I had. Leave my trading view. Jesus. You know, when I woke up and saw this move yesterday, I thought I was like still on Friday's price action. Then I realized that was actually as ridiculous as the push was yesterday. I had this little buy up here into previous 30 highs. That I didn't get this absolutely ridiculous move though. I didn't trade New York yesterday. I haven't traded New York in quite a while actually. So when I woke up and saw this, I was like, holy shit. I honestly thought I was like on the wrong day or something. Alright, 50 seconds here till this 30 is going to close. 50 seconds. Let me just set a little reminder. Alright, let's see. 15. Not the best, not the worst. Yeah, 30 just in the last 10 seconds, just wick back above here. Don't close below this low. 5 seconds here. 5 seconds. If you can grab the lows first, that'd be beautiful. What's that? Oh wait. If you can grab these 5-minute lows here, longs back up into this trend line and to gold to spike higher, it looks very nice to me. You have a little 5-minute triple top here. What that? You risk off that 30 low. It's a pretty decent risk to reward. Yeah, nice. 30 did close bearish, but it didn't close below the previous 30 low, which is what you kind of need to see if you're going to see the push up. That may be enough. That may be enough of it just there actually. 1, 2, 3. You may not need to grab that 5 low. Let's see. Nice lift. Re-enter your password into Wi-Fi manually. Find it helps. Oh really? Okay, I'll try that, man. I'll try that.
Superman from Wish.
Aaron, you didn't tell us it was a comedy stream as well.
You didn't tell us to bring our jokes. Oh, there you go. There's that push on gold. Didn't grab the 5 lows, but you did just break above this level, retest, and push higher. Like, where is it? What? So you grabbed that little double top there. Is London or New York better for future? I don't know. What do you mean by better? Better in what sense? Better in volume, better in setups. Completely depends. I personally prefer London and the European session. You can trade any session. That's the reason we trade gold though. You can trade gold well at any session. A long from 11410. Yeah, nice. 11410. Beautiful. Very nice. Yeah, there's that push on Goldie. Makes money Asia. Yeah, I make money Asia. I don't care about sessions, to be honest. I've never taken a. I never would not take a trade because like it's not a certain session. For me, if the setup's there, the setup's there. Sessions don't really matter to me. Or gold could move at any time, to be honest. Like this move is in, this was the Asia move down today. 50 tick move down in Asia today, before then breaking out and completely reversing another 70 ticks. Obviously the big push was in New York, but if you trade the New York PM session, which me and Anthony were talking about today, even in the PM session, just some amazing moves on gold. Trading the New York PM session was what I was doing in New Zealand. It was quite nice actually. Yeah, Asia, London, New York, we don't care. Let's see. So you just re-grabbed them highs there. So if we did take them longs, you'd be out at break even anyway. So it doesn't really matter. Still within this little range here on gold. It's a pretty steep first top wick to start that 30. Close kind of below this level, top wick and first. You're going to continue to push down on gold. So we've got time. We've got time here. Let me make sure. Let me see if the stream is better quality. Let me have a look. That looks alright to me. Looks alright to me. Taking highs and dropping, yeah, possible. So 5 minute just closed doji there. You're gonna grab this little 5 minute double bottom here. And if this does have a decent top wick, you may short into it actually. Yeah, I guess you could short into this and see if it just continues. Given that we know no idea what the hell's gonna happen today. Risking 12. We got so much crap open, what the hell? Come on, Goldie. Have a little move. Have a move. Do you want to quit Stream Deck? No, I do not want to do that. If this starts to throw signs of rejection, you may get some sells here on gold. I'm not a huge fan of the sells, but given that what we've done so far this week, you can start to sometimes correct down more than we've anticipated. You do have a little 5 minute triple bottom ever so slightly here. How's the 15? Oh, you still got time. How was the previous 15 close? Yeah, you just also just did grab, you grabbed the highs and grabbed the lows. So yeah, wicked out 15 lows, just wicked out previous 15 highs. So I don't think there's really anything super clear just yet. This 5 minute looks to be pretty choppy. Previous 5 literally closed with like 0 ticks of body. Almost a new time high for Bitcoin? Question of time. Yeah, everyone's talking about Bitcoin being on a absolutely ridiculous run.
It's good. Keep on talking about it, guys.
Did you close above 65 on the daily? Yeah, you did. Yeah, you got a huge close above 65.
Definitely. 100k. Absolutely. No doubt.
Did you grab all time? Oh no, very close. Streamers do. No, I don't. I don't think so, man. I don't think I do. Unless it's automatic. I don't believe I do. It's like a picture perfect double top there on Bitcoin. Let me see. You have to drag this down soon. As soon as you start grabbing these little lows, you have to drag this down. 54% short, 45% long. Yeah, that's why it's kind of chopping. It's kind of like mixed right now. You got 4 ticks grabbing there. See how this 5 closes. Now you're grabbing this little 5 minute double bottom here. That was the 15 low and that was the 15 high. Just think we did this. Yeah, imagine, man. Imagine that. No, you take this little, just a little small little, very little small play. Very slow, very slow so far. What's that? 3 ticks is nothing. Yeah, I mean you can look at. I think Bookmap would probably tell you a little bit more than Tilt. So 5 minute failed to close below the lows. Just closing a bit messy there. I'm gonna close that. I don't like that. I just took that for a very small little position, but I don't like it. You can just move it if you really want to.
Don't like that, me.
No, I wanted to see if that 5 could give us a close with some volume.
Makes sense to me, right?
Yeah, it does. To at least grab these these lows here did make sense. I was hoping to see if this could actually close below this low and keep pushing down. What's the tilt thing? It's the I'll show you. Let me go back to it. We kind of ran through it yesterday a little bit, but it's the top step X indicator where it tells you what top step traders are doing. So if we look at gold right now, on gold, 43% of people are long, 53% of people are short, and the people who are in short, 47% of them, 48% now, are in the negative, and their average short price is 2123.5. If you look at oil, 69% of people are long on oil, with an average price of 78.36. Nasdaq 50-50, S&P pretty much 50-50 as well. Same as gold. 50-50.
It's interesting though, isn't it?
Yeah, it's interesting to look at, man. Definitely. It'd probably be more interesting to watch it in the New York session and see how volatile it is.
Can I get that X thing?
Yeah, you can, man. Yeah, you can get it, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, look, you guys can see me there. I just didn't realise. Look at that. Yeah, you can get it, man. Yeah. I'm just testing it out a little bit more, like the Top Step X platform.
Yeah.
Man, look at that. There you go. Break even on that one anyway. Get rid of that.
It's just a numbers version of Bookmap, is it?
Yeah, it's just it just tells you what Bookmap kind of tells you the whole markets, whereas this one just tells you actual top step traders.
Okay.
Yeah.
I stopped looking at Bookmap.
Yeah, I did as well. You know what I'd like a separate screen just to have running that I can just look at like every now and again, just have a little look over. I think that'd be pretty cool.
Yeah.
I could actually have an idea for you actually. I'll tell you after.
Oh.
How was the New York session yesterday? Did any of you guys jump on with Alad?
It's kind of dead in the zone.
When did you jump? Did you jump on before it started to have the? When did you guys jump on? Like here?
Yeah, I think this afternoon. I think I jumped on like 1:45, something like that, before New York Open.
1:45. Yeah, here. Yeah, nice man. Yeah.
I'll jump on then.
Where did you have the buys from? You had the buys from here? Here? Was it here?
On my screen. No.
Lower? Must be nice.
So on your chart there'd be 20.
You'd buys from here?
2098 977. So around.
Where have we gone? Sorry. From. Come back. There you go.
Yeah. So can you go on the
15?
15?
Yeah.
Please.
Yeah.
So
Oh, you got it from here after it broke out.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, nice.
Tapped in that time.
Yeah, nice. After grabbing the lows. How much was that? Fucking hell, it's still 20, yeah. There, nice, man, nice.
Yeah, 23 ticks.
Nice.
And honestly, I didn't think it would go any higher. So
Yeah.
I closed it.
And boom. Yeah.
If
I'm off the white roots up on most days. Yeah, nice, man, nice. Let me just have a... Someone asked about how you could have caught this push up yesterday, and I'll break it down. Let me just see how this 15 closed on gold, see if we're going to get a trade here. 15. Oh, this 15 is actually looking quite nice. The 15 is annoying me because you've re-grabbed 15 highs. You're into an instant 15 top wick. The only problem is you don't have anything clear to target to the downside. How's the 30 looking? Oh, not great. I'm gonna wait. If the 15 flips, it may push, but manage from there. I'm not gonna take it, but yeah. Someone said, where could you have bought gold from yesterday? The easiest place. I'm trying not to look back in hindsight, so it's easy to look back and go, oh yeah, well that was pretty obvious. But the way that we trade, the clearest buy for me yesterday on gold was probably here off the 15. This is a very, very, very nice reversal formation. You have this initial rejection, you re-grab the lows, retest, and then start to re-break the highs. So I don't know how it formed because I didn't watch it, but if this formed with an instant bottom wick first, you could have put in a buy stop above this previous high. So if this... You could have taken the retest, to be honest, but if this instantly pushed down this 15 minute... Because we always knew these highs were getting grabbed yesterday. We didn't know gold was going to absolutely just run yesterday. But what I said was yesterday, these highs were always going to get grabbed. So buying up just into that could have been your trade. And if it keeps pushing, amazing. But even if you're going to push down on gold and have a correction of this huge push up, you were still going to grab these highs and push down. So I was taking no sells on gold yesterday. Even I had this little correction down. I'm not taking any sells on gold, and I said that on stream. I'm only looking for buys. So if that next 15 minute open with an instant bottom wick, you could have a buy stop and risk off wherever the low is going to be once it flips, and that pretty much could be your trade. I don't know if it did though. If it created the top wick first, it probably would have been a little bit difficult. Stop loss would have to be there, and then ended up just ripping and just ripping. You created another double top there again, but that pattern there. That 3-pin pattern there is a very, very nice reversal formation. Very, very nice.
something similar on the 15 right now, though. 3-pin.
Is there? Let's have a look. Let's have a look to the highs.
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you tell that 90% of the time price comes back to grab liquidity before a huge move? Why this happens, the fundamental logic. I don't really know why it happens, the fundamental logic. People say it's to grab orders, to grab liquidity. And there's always going to be liquidity sitting above these highs. I call it a retail trap. It's just how I refer to it. But it's not the market makers grabbing retail stop loss. Like the market makers don't give a shit about retail stop loss. But it is just stopping out. I just look at it from the perspective of if most people are shorting here, their stop loss is probably going to be going above that high. So I know if gold's going to have a push down, it's going to do this. Why it happens, I don't know. But it just does all the time. But it's pretty much just to grab liquidity, grab orders before having the real push. And it happens 90+%. I'm not going to say 100, but it happens like a very high 90% of the time on gold. If you can ever find me a time on gold where you've seen a double top like this, respect and push down, I'll be very, very surprised. But I call it a retail trap. Obviously, I know I'm a retail trader. Let's not go. We'll go down that. But yeah, I just always look at the markets from what are most retail traders trying to do and how can I take advantage of it. And that's pretty much it, man.
It's the Aaron trap, or
Yeah, the old Aaron trap. Like when I say most retail traders will be doing this and putting their stop loss just above there, I'm referring to my older self. Maybe trade the retail trap. I said, yeah, exactly. Yeah, we trade the retail trap. That's what we were doing yesterday. That's what we're doing all week on gold. So if most people are trying to sell here, stop loss above there, we're buying up into that. That's the way that I always trade. Same as the buys that I took on Thursday last week on gold. Thursday, I had buys on gold from down here because we had this retail again, resistance double top. Retail's short here, but their stop loss just above here. We're buying up into where most retail traders are trying to sell, and that's the way we trade. Of course, I'm as retail. Yeah, of course I'm retail. I don't know, maybe not. You never know. You never know. Yeah, it's just hard. People, people refer to it as what, sweeps. People just saying it's just grabbing the highs. I just look at it, yeah, it's like a little retail trap. Yeah, and when you have it like this, some people wait for the highs to get grabbed and then try and jump in short, but I prefer to buy up into where most people are trying to sell, and that's usually just my trade. Like that trade that I just said on Thursday, I didn't hold it all the way up until where we are now. I just literally, and it was outside of my session, I bought here with my hard TP in above this Friday high, and that was my trade. And then it ended up just correcting, grabbing the lows, people jump in longs here, put their stop loss below there, price grabs retail traders again, and then has the next push up. Exactly the same thing again, people try and jump in long here, stop loss below the low, gold grab the lows and then pushes up. So it's just the way that gold moves, and I just find gold does it the cleanest. You know, other instruments do it, like oil does it all the time as well, but gold does it the cleanest. I think that's why most retail traders hate trading gold so much. Yeah, better late than never. Hey, what's going on, Anthony? Let's go for today, man. Yeah, pleasure, man. Pleasure to catch up.
We have a lot of traders that are scared to trade gold. They don't. They don't like to trade it because they don't. You know.
Yeah.
Have the price action down line.
Yeah. 100%, man. Yeah, retailers hate trading gold. It's usually because they over leverage on it. They don't understand how it moves. It's like when I first had my first trading personal accounts, I blew my first account just from trading gold because they try to trade the same size on gold as they do on like AUD, NZD. It's just completely different.
And if you get caught on the wrong side of gold when it's doing these crazy moves,
oh man.
Yeah,
100%, man. And when you see these big pushes, and if you don't catch it, you start trying to take shorts down here because you're like, oh, well, it must have to come down and retest, and then gold just goes up and up and up. It's crazy.
I'll be honest, I've been looked at a few of these in the past.
Yeah, me too, man. Me too. I would see this push up, and if I didn't get this, I would be the guy trying to short here. And I'd be pissed off. It'd keep pushing. You just keep adding in shorts, and you just get trapped. And when gold has these breakouts, these are just ridiculous moves. It's easy. I think everyone, if everyone's done it, if everyone hasn't done it, I can promise you'll do it at some point. So get it over with. Get it done and move on from it. We all do it. Let's see this 5 minute on gold. There's this 5 looking pretty choppy. This 15's looking nice. Yeah. What is the pip in gold trading? You mean like what is a pip? Or like what is the pips? I don't know what you mean, man. If you measure this on gold, 210 pips, 21 gold pips, 210 pips in total. If you trade futures, then it's ticks. Yeah, 15's looking nice. I mean, you still got this barrier right here, though.
I'll never forget that time I accidentally opened 5 contracts with NAS.
It's crazy.
Started writing in my journal. Then I looked up and I was like, oh, what is that? It was very I was like, what?
Yeah, anyone new to futures, don't trade the same size on gold and the same size on NAS. 2 completely different ball games.
Holy cow.
NAS can absolutely punish you too.
Yeah, NAS can. NAS can blow your account. Oil's very difficult. Traps every candle. Yeah, it is. It is. Only ever time I've had success with oil is being swing trading. We used to swing trade it quite a lot. That's the only real time I've had success on oil. What have I just clicked on?
I'm get back to swinging it though.
Yeah, I'd like to as well because it has big moves. But even just watching it on the 4 hour at the minute, it still just doesn't really make as much sense to me. Like it's just, you know, like the way it just closes so bearish and so bullish and so bearish, like gold never moves like that.
I'm writing quite a bit of notes this morning on the chart. So
Nice.
I'm going to have 1,000,001 DMs by the time this is finished.
Nice. Like even here, like if you look back at this on oil, wait, sorry, one more. Look back at this. If this was gold, after grabbing these lows and closing bullish, you'd never come anywhere near it again, or if you do, you'd keep pushing down. Whereas oil comes all the way back down again, creates a double bottom, grabs it, and then comes down again, and then finally moves. So it's like you'd have to, and these are 4 hour candles. This is like what, almost a day, almost 2 days worth of price action where you've gone profit, break even, profit, break even, profit, break even, and then boom.
Another reason why I just want to go off levels, enter the trade, have a stop loss, and go golfing.
Absolutely.
Leave it to what it wants.
Absolutely. Is the info? Is there any particular news of gold? No, I don't believe so, man. I don't think so. I haven't had a look. I don't think so though. I think technically it's just because there's no resistance to the left. So it's kind of like once you break these highs, it's just free for the buyers just to keep taking this up. That there's no levels where any sellers are going to be sitting above here other than here, which is kind of what you typically see on gold. When you like break some big levels, like even here, once you clear here, it's just clean pushes. Once you clear like these highs, next level, just clean drive into there. Then once you break that, the next resistance, you don't really have any other than there. So it's like you can just keep getting these just big drives. And that's why, you know, when you do start to top out and find some resistance, you could correct a lot of this quite easily as well. Because now you got such clear levels here that any retracements are going to be really clean as well. Not that I'm looking for any retracements just yet, but when they do come in, because this has been such nice price action here, you could fill in these pretty quick as well. You know, which could be nice. I find oil better for swing trade. Yeah, same as me, man. Same as me. Longest trade I've held is 3 weeks. That's amazing, man. 3 weeks hold is amazing. Good work, man. XAU USD and XAG USD move the same. Nah, I think silver moves a little bit different. I mean, same overall, I believe. I think I've never really watched silver enough to know exactly how it moves. You know, it kind of has the same concept. You know, you have the lows, you grab the lows, you push higher. Grab the lows, push higher. So, like, overall it does, but kind of different in its own way as well. Obviously, silver's a lot more undervalued than gold, so these are way bigger moves, percent-wise and tick-wise. I've never traded silver. Big accounts behind oil. I'm not going to short it. Yeah, you wouldn't want to short. Yeah, I think oil to me looks nice and still correct to push back up. I see, you know, oil coming back up to regrab these highs here, tap back into $80 before potentially seeing that move back down to 70 in the coming weeks. When do you usually move your stop loss to break even? How many ticks? It's not really a tick amount, to be honest, man. It's more so depending on if you're grabbing previous highs or lows. So like if I was buying gold here for whatever reason, my break even is kind of as you're regrabbing some previous highs. So I took a very, very, very small, like list, a very small 3 contract short here. And then once you grab these lows and don't close below it, that's kind of my break even point. So it's not really like a tick amount. But I mean, unless you're hitting, you know, like obviously 20, then at that point you're more than break even, taking some. But it's more so, yeah, it's more so based off when you start grabbing previous highs. Like if I take a trade on the 30, which I did yesterday, my break even and TP is as you start to grab previous 30-minute highs. I can't remember where I took that. I think I took the buys here yesterday, and my break even and TP was once you grab these 30-minute highs. It wasn't as much as like I've hit 17 ticks, I'm going to go break even. It was more so the fact that this is where I was targeting, where you could grab before pushing lower. So that's kind of my break even points, man. But like I say, unless you're hitting like 20 for scalping, yeah, I like to take it there. This hourly's just closed on gold. We got London Open here. Fuck, this hourly's not very nice. This hourly's messy. 4 hours looking nice though. This current hourly has no bottom wick. It's difficult to short it because you've got 1, 2, 3 highs that haven't been grabbed. Maybe if the market's off NFP. Yeah, you got NFP this week as well. To see these huge pushes up before NFP is pretty crazy. I'll catch you on the iPad. Happy trading game. Enjoy, Brian. Enjoy, man. Probably take the highs or lows in the trade in direction break. Yeah, exactly, man. Yeah. Yeah, but if you're grabbing like 15 or 30 highs, it's probably a level where you want to start managing. Sometimes it can be 20 and that can be enough just to take your trade. Sometimes it might only be 10. It might not be worth taking profit, but you probably want to look to break even. Look at this aggressive. But even if we did take these 15-minute lows, it's straight back to break even there. Alright, so this first one may close. Alright guys, give me 2 seconds. I'm just gonna grab a drink and we'll stay on. We got the London Open here as well, so hopefully we're gonna see some volume. I'll be 2 seconds.
Coming after us is going to take it out.
Wasn't it like this actual bottom wick on that 30 candle?
No, or the hourly,
Yeah, which is slightly annoying.
or the 15, or the 5,
Or the 1?
or the 3. 30 seconds.
Here it is.
I'm skint. I haven't got the upgrade for that one.
Yeah, me neither. I can't afford that one either. Where is it?
Yeah.
Shit. Exposed. Exposed. Last time goes the bomb in it.
I'm sure people will
Yeah, let me take a screenshot of that.
Might flush lower for NFP, rebalance the market. Yeah, it would make sense to me, man. Yeah, I would like it to. To have these crazy run-ups before NFP is pretty huge. So yeah, it wouldn't be too crazy to me. I wish they just grabbed these highs so we could actually do something. This gold given the trade opportunity every day. I can move and learn only gold. Is that a good? Yeah, 100%. That's an amazing idea. 100%. Gold can give you, entries every single day. Not that the goal is to take a trade every single day, but gold will give you an opportunity to take a trade every single day. Yeah. I just trade gold. In the beginning, I used to trade. Well, I used to trade all of this shit. I've showed you guys before. I used to trade all this crap. Now I literally just trade gold, and that's it. Nothing else. Nothing moves the same as gold. Nothing moves as well as gold, and nothing gives you as nice opportunities as gold in every single session. And if you master gold and you fully grasp and learn the way that gold moves, tuning into these streams and following the plan, you'll quickly realize you don't need anything else. And if when we're day trading and scalping, we're only going for like 20 ticks a day on gold max. You trade that with like 5 contracts, it's like $1,000 a day, and that's like, you measure 20 ticks, but you just had that in the past like 7 minutes. You had that here in Asia, you had it here in Asia as well. You obviously had it here multiple times. You're still going to get much more of this today. Yeah, you don't need anything else, yeah. Everything, there'll be other instruments that move the same like concept, like I said, like oil has liquidity grabs as well, but it's very different. If you try trade gold and you try trade oil, you try trade Nasdaq, you're gonna confuse yourself. You're just gonna go round in circles and strategy hop. Whereas for me, just nailing down gold and knowing that, like, man, and until you master gold and you're making like a full-time living off just trading gold, what's the point looking at anything else?
That is true.
Yeah.
When you look at it. But I want to replace Nasdaq with oil because I want to swing.
Yeah.
That's the reason.
Yeah. 100%, man.
I'm going to do that now. Actually, I don't trade it. Holy God, the guns.
Well, here he is. Hiya, Joe.
Go on, lad. Hey, Jesus.
Holy shit.
You've been making full use of those pharmaceutical places out there.
Any of you lot do would change the status on my life.
Yeah. That's
It's the favourite phrase at the moment.
This is gold seen a pump here. I'm trying to buy gold. You just distracted. You just costed us money on gold.
Get your level up, bro.
Gonna have dinner. See you guys. Enjoy.
I'm gonna join you. I'll be joining this. I don't believe it. I call cat.
Yeah, it's cat. Do you have a course about the way you trade gold? About the way you trade. There's you can go onto my YouTube channel and type in gold strategy. You'll get a better understanding of it more. And keep tuning into the live streams. You'll see me break down and trade gold every day. That you'll understand it quick. I'm not here to sell you or anything. You can just go watch the strategy video and watch us break it down here. You get a lot of value. Where can we get a quick little scalp entry on this?
This is where
Oh, this is. I just had a
sometimes for me,
push.
FOMO starts kicking in a bit.
Yeah.
I've been waiting for that retest, I assume.
Yeah, yeah, man. Especially with that hourly's just open, no bottom wick, just straight reversing. Then you look at the 4 hour, and the 4 hour does make sense. If whenever the hourly doesn't make sense, I just zoom out. Look at that 4 hour. 4 hours looking fucking like it's gonna
Wasn't
rip.
really an entry for us on that push either.
Nah, not yet. We could get one now though. As long as we don't grab the highs, we get a quick little. Oh, I suppose you're gonna re-break the highs and push.
Like you said, Mark, no bottom wick on that previous candle was kind of a worry as well.
Yeah, that there. And that. Which makes
those things. Sometimes it'll push and you just look and you go, okay, wasn't our trade if there's no entry there.
yeah, 100%, man. Let's see. You start to reject from here. This is nice because this will be a level where most retail traders will be trying to short right now. Imagine most people are trying to do this right now on gold. So if we start to dip down a little bit, we can buy up into where most people are trying to sell. So that's this high here is going to be where we'll have a look at top step tilt as well. This will be where any time will be sitting above there. So we just dip more, when it's back up in these highs, still like which is nice. And who knows where? Could you may actually do this more? Like that, yes, you may actually do that. It's much a minute. 43% people are short, 57% people long, so not doesn't look like anyone's trapped too aggressively just yet.
Yes, well.
Come on, Joe. Hiya.
Let me know.
Hiya.
Joe, do you want to tell the group what you did for the first time or long time last night on your computer?
Go on. You took a little scalp, nice.
Only $500.
Only
Yeah.
15 points to run the liquidity high, yeah.
Silas in the
Yeah.
factors.
Yeah, yes, sounds for haters though.
Hey?
Sounds for haters though.
Very nice, very good.
Sounds stinks. What was he saying? Yeah, I got that top step invitation thing, so I thought I'd use it for like what, £300?
Nice. What, the Top Step X platform?
Yeah, well, that sent me a link. I just put it in. I don't know what I did really. And then
Yeah, nice.
the second one is like £2, well, £3 or whatever to do it.
Yeah, nice, man, yeah. It's worth it. It's a good platform. I like it. I'm using it as well.
Yeah, it's so clean.
Yeah, it's super clean, man. I'm just testing it out as well.
Yeah, it's so nice, like.
In it. We're only, to be fair, this is the first 15 of the London Open, and we're starting to see this nice volume. If this next 15 opens with an instant bottom wick, I'm going to buy gold here. Like 20 ticks into the highs. Then just risk off if you start to close aggressively bearish. Ideally, the next 15 bottom wick is what grabs this little minor 5-minute low. And then let's take it higher. Hard stop will probably be here, but I'd manage it way before then.
No, went to the highs, yeah?
Yeah, don't grab the highs. Yeah, I want to buy into the highs. Yeah, gold to the new highs. would you mind if I ask how long have you been trading gold? No, not at all, man. Ask anything. Well, I've been trading total for like around 5 years. And traded gold throughout all of that. Oh, don't do this, gold. It's gonna fucking rip the highs. I hit a bottom wick. It's just gonna grab the highs, I think. Motherfucker. This will. I still think a lot of people are gonna try and jump short here. It just needs a bottom wick so we can actually fucking take it. But yeah, trading gold, like just trading gold. I'm not sure how long now. Quite some time. We started trading gold properly back in 2020. So too far to go back now. Yeah, back in like 2020 we started trading gold properly and focusing on it much more than anything else. And over the years I've slowly just dropped off more and more and more. You know, maybe 2 years ago we were trading much more of NASDAQ, even in the London session, had good success with that. But I've always just come back to gold. I just love the way that gold moves. We've traded a lot.
You've always said gold is your baby.
Yeah, I love gold, man. I love gold. I mean, long from 1148. Yeah, nice. 1148. Nice. Yeah, I think it's gonna rip the highs. Sorry, man.
When's the number plate coming?
I need to get a gold Lamborghini first. Lambo when, sir? I mean, if you do just rip the highs, you probably are going to see this pull back more today. Now retail's trying to short again and gold will wreck them. Yep, 100%, man. I just wanted to see this just give a quick bottom wick so we could buy up into that. But if you look at the 15 just opened and instantly pushed up with no bottom wick. So as soon as you do start grabbing these highs, you know, you could start to form a 15 wick here. You didn't even get a 15 bottom wick on the previous 15. Is trade rate the best option on Top Step? Yeah, if you're new to futures, it's probably the easiest, to be honest, man. You'll get used to the platform the quickest, and you can even connect TradeOvate and trade on TradingView if you really want to as well. There. So you can log into TradeOvate and trade on here as well. Oh man, that's stunning. That's ridiculous. I'll take one of them.
I'll take one of them.
Guys, enjoy, Ross. See you next time, man.
There's a lot of orders above.
Yeah, loads. I really want to fucking buy into these highs. See you for New York. See you then, man. See you then. I'll try and watch a little bit of New York. I might try to jump on with you guys for a little bit today. Oh, we got what time is? Oh, you got news at 3 PM London time. You probably still got some London, New York Open moves.
Yeah, that's why I thought they would hold it off until quarter to 2 or 2 PM.
Yeah, it's a good shot, man.
Yes,
Come on, Goldie, give us a quick little bottom wick. Bring in more sellers. Dip down here, and then we'll go. Boom, and we'll be out. To be fair, we've only been on for like an hour and 20 minutes. We've got time here. Oh yeah, about an hour and 30 minutes. We've got time. The more you do reject from here, the more people are going to try and short. So this is kind of what we want to see. I was late for the pump, but waiting for the retracement. Yeah, no, this, to be fair, if you didn't catch this pump up here, I wouldn't worry about it. This hourly opened and just pushed up out of nowhere. You didn't even get a bottom wick on the hourly. Hourly closed bearish, open is the push up. Don't worry about not being able to catch their moves. It's not your job. To be fair, you did tap into our little, where we said at the start of the stream, little left shoulder, head, right shoulder level. But you'd expect it to be grabs and then start to push. So when it doesn't, I personally don't care about this push up. But now that it has pushed, now I'm happy to take it. You know, but sometimes it's easy to look back at this push up like, oh fuck, how didn't I catch this push up? That's literally impossible. Opened, instant. Personal fire vehicle, let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. That's crazy. 92,000. That's mad.
Looks pretty cool as well.
Yeah, it does look fucking sweet. I was about to type, man. We want to see more people shorting here so we can fuel up for the pump. Yeah, exactly, man, exactly. That's why you start to see rejections from here. This is good because this brings in more people trying to sell. Stop loss just above this high. The more it dips down, the more you get the vice because it's basically a triple top now. You got 1, 2, 3. If ever you see gold creating a triple top around here, this is retail heaven. Retail heaven. Wi-Fi connection so poor. Yeah, I'll try and fix it after this. It's not my Wi-Fi. It must be something to do with the settings. I'll try and I've got a reminder to try and fix some settings after this. It's pretty annoying. I know. I apologize. It's not laggy on Zoom. It's just on the YouTube stream for some reason. But it's fucking annoying. Let me watch it. It's because I have so many things open as well. It's a mix of settings and just max being max. It's a little bit better.
If you were getting another computer around, would you get a Mac again? I'm on a Mac.
Nah, I wouldn't, to be honest, man. Nah, not. I mean, for everyday use, yeah, but for like Zoom streaming, YouTube, probably not, to be honest, man.
Whoa.
Yeah. For everyday use, though, I love Macs, but.
Easier.
You're Mr. Mac.
Mr. Apple.
They're great for laptops if you're on the go and travelling. I mean,
Yeah.
they've got the best battery life. They just turn on straight away, don't they?
Yeah. I love my MacBook, yeah. But for like running a monitor, Zoom, trading view, YouTube, fucking recording, Zoom, everything, yeah, I think it just gets too much for it.
Yeah, definitely.
And it's red hot as well. Probably switch to like a gaming PC or some shit soon.
You can get those monitors or towers that got actually water in the tower. And you can
Yeah.
power them.
Yeah. YouTube beats your bam a bit soon, so be like, yeah. Need to have a play around with it. So the 15's pushing down here, which is nice. We're getting that bottom wick. This is good. This is what we want to see. Max like window shopping, everything looks nice, but realistically you can't really have anything yet. True. It's very true, man. Very true. I just like the interface on Macs, but I'll probably change it soon. I just don't really want to spend loads of money on a gaming PC if I'm not even going to game on it.
Would it be better for the corporate journalists?
Yeah, maybe. I haven't played poker in a while, actually. I haven't played poker in a while. Hey, man. I lost you.
SMC fan control works pretty good on Macintosh.
Which one, sorry? I lost you there, man. You cut out a bit. I don't know.
It's SMC fan control.
Oh, okay. Let me have a look. Oh yeah, okay. Alright, Matt. Thank you.
Yeah, you can ramp up your CPU fan just a little bit.
Oh, nice. Yeah, thank you, man. I'll have a look. Oh, sit stand tables. Good value if you don't like sit on time. Yeah, they're good, man. They're good. They're good. I like mine. I use mine during the day all the time. Poker in the front, lick it in the back. Yes, sir. What are you up to, Goldie? What are you up to? Is he going to re-break this 5-minute high? And keep pushing. Probably still squeeze out 20 or something. Has he got a GPU? What, laptop? No, I don't have a laptop. I bought only maybe like a year ago. I bought an iMac. Apple M1 chip apparently. I bought an actual iMac because the dude in the shop said it would be good enough for streaming and trading. But I think he was fucking lying.
Yeah, job, understand.
Yeah, he did. He did to be. He did. Yeah, he did. You're right.
He's going that you're more expert in like another two.
Is this goal gonna push up from here? I just like that one. This is why you have to join the stream show, just for that, just for them little inputs. We need them.
Is it wrong? I got a picture of you in the Apple store with your pants down.
He's too busy being a guru. He's a guru now.
You know it. I remember these.
Wait, where are you? Where are you? What is it? The sniffing stuff.
I think it is it.
Yeah. Listening to stuff, that sounds well bad to people who can't see what I'm saying.
Yeah, it does.
Been in Thailand a couple of months and he's on the poppers.
You need a lot of RAM in this case. Cool. Yeah, I'll have a look at a PC with a lot of RAM. I'll have a look, man. I appreciate it. Didn't you buy a laptop for Quant Tower? Yeah, I did. I literally never use it. It's probably better than this.
You forget what you bought.
I don't know if it's any better though. But I did buy this. I maybe used it once. And this is, I don't know, could be better, I don't know. That's cat. That's cat. Here we go again. Yeah, here we go again on gold. Yeah, there's gold pushing out the high. So any retail trader who sold here on gold, stop loss just above this high, is now getting squeezed out here. These little rejections here were nothing but a retail trap. So you're now wicking out these highs. Think about gold this week. Will it go higher? Well, I don't know. I would have said yesterday it wouldn't rip up to 2,100, and it did. So yeah, I honestly have no idea.
High, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just I didn't. What's this? What are you wicking out? Like 10, 15. Infinity, yeah, it's an Infinity, yeah, it's an Infinity laptop, yeah. It could be better, to be honest. I don't know. Highs grabbed, yeah. Just grab the highs now, yeah. I do think, you know, what we're into Tuesday, I do think NFP could kind of help gold retrace some of these crazy moves we've seen, but I'm not really looking to to fight against it just yet. But these grab of these highs before New York session is pretty nice, because before we had this grab yesterday, it was into the New York session. You didn't do it in London. So if London didn't do it, then New York will do it. But if London's now grabbing the highs, who knows? Could New York actually retrace it a little bit today? You know, it's possible. Even my trading views like, what the hell is this? There you go. There's that push on gold. What are you spiking? You're spiking like 17 17-ish ticks there. If you guys did take that, well done. What was the stops? The stop was like Stop was like what 12 ticks. You're wicking out like 19. Not crazy risk reward, but it's not bad. Little scalp. Massive contract side time sales. Oh, really? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Yeah, on tilt as well. Retail traders have been wiped out of any sales. Only 28% short. I caught it. Nice run. Good job, man. Good job. Very nice, man. Yeah, good shit, Ron. Good shit, man. 71% people long. 65% people long on crude oil. 12 to 20 contracts. Oh, really nice. Let me have a look. Let me have a look. Yeah. Where did that come in? I missed it. Yeah, 6, 7. Yeah, size filter. I'm gonna change it to more. Oh yeah, 10. Yeah, he's got 11 contracts coming in at. Yeah, you got some big size coming in there. You can filter the time and sales size as well. So you can just see like contracts just over like 10 or something like that. So you don't have to look at all the crap, like the little shitty orders. Like just had 14 come in. There you go. Well, there's your 20 ticks for the day on gold. May spike up higher, but if you just want to take the 20, that's it, done there. So, like I said, any even if you didn't get it, doesn't matter. Any retail trader who was short here, like I said, stop loss above this high. That's why you're seeing gold have this push higher. You come down, you re-grab previous 5-minute lows. You would just wait for it to break this high. Don't be too greedy. And then there's your 20 ticks for the day. So, retail traders who were short on gold today will be same old story. Gold's shit. I don't like gold. Gold's crap. And gold just had a very, very nice move. Very, very nice move. What's the upside target? I would take it there. Anywhere above these highs is where most retailers would have had their stop loss. So anywhere above here, if you get like 20 ticks, close like 80% and leave some runners. See if you can just keep pushing up. The thing is, there's no price action to the left. So could you do what you did yesterday and just keep running? I mean, maybe. Like look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour is doing what we said in US session yesterday, but in London today. You've came down, you've broke above this resistance, you've confirmed it as support, and you're re-breaking the highs. There's literally no price action to the left. So the only upside target you really have is back at the all-time highs, which I'll be surprised if that comes in right now, but with the way this week's been, fucking anything can happen. Look at this, you've just made like, what, fucking 40 ticks. Once you clear these levels, when there's no price action to the left, it's just free room to push as much as it wants. 11 ticks grab, nice. Very nice.
How would you now that, because I haven't jumped in anything yet, and I was going to see if this was going to break that resistance and then possibly pull them back down and hit the previous one of these previous lows, but it's a bit tricky. Would you be looking for a continuation graph maybe on the 5 minute or something like that?
Yeah, probably, man. Yeah, or you can kind of wait for it to maybe start closing back above here and bottom wick a little bit more. Yeah, you kind of need to follow like something like this again, but you start to find some resistance, create some liquidity, and then grab some lows and push. So like if it starts to top out a little bit, just kind of correct down a little bit, grab some lows, and then to re-grab the highs. You probably have to wait like at least I'd say like another hour or so worth of price action. I'd say, man. Or if you start closing back below, then you could have some shorts.
I got a nice little 30 tick move just on the break of the 30 highs because it pulled down with the bottom wick first.
Nice.
Literally, I was trying to place a sell. I did 3 contracts. I was trying to place a sell limit for 2 to hold a runner.
Nice.
At that profit and just smashed them with me. So
Yeah.
goldie,
Beautiful,
goldie,
man.
goldie.
Beautiful. Big push. Another day thanking retail traders for pure pump fuel. Yeah, absolutely. Do you take this yet? Small position, man. Just buying up into that retail stop loss. So as we were grabbing these lows, I'm basically saying once you re-break these highs, you're going to see that push. But the thing is on gold, because you're grabbing the highs before the New York session, you know, if you start closing back lower today, I wouldn't be scared of this today. Because you're grabbing the highs before the New York session, which is nice. So if you start closing back below today, like back into this range, after now grabbing this double top, you could look to take this back down to like this double bottom today. And you do still have this double bottom down here as well. And you do have news today as well. So you're grabbing major highs before news. So if you start closing back below, remember this hourly still has no bottom wick. Which could, you could easily, this hourly could still start close back below here. You've still got 25 minutes till this hour's going to close. Another day, another dollar. Yep. Took a quick short in and out. Nice. Yeah, I was going to see if it could as well, yeah. I would have taken a little bit, a little more if it did that.
I think is on the current hour candle, there's no bottom wick on it.
Yeah. Yeah. So if you start closing back below, yeah, you could still come down and retap that. Yeah, I did think you would maybe wick out these lows a little bit more. That's why taking the break of the highs the nicest, because if you just break the highs, then it doesn't matter. You can just get it from there anyway. I would have considered like a little retest entry maybe from down here, but if it doesn't, I'd just wait for it to break the high and then push.
Do you want momentum?
Yeah, man. Yep.
Cool.
Hit like 40 ticks.
Yeah. Nice.
Did anyone else get it? I know Ron got it. Anyone else managed to catch that? It was pretty quick, to be fair. But it was just playing it up into the retail trap.
Breaking the 30 highs.
Breaking the 30 highs, yeah, nice man, nice. Where was that? Oh, you got this quick spike. This one.
Yeah, and I just had
Nice.
an order. I think I had it in at 20 ticks, but I think it slipped me at 30.
Nice. I got one contract and got out of the break of the highs. Yeah, good work, man. One contract's good, man. One contract's good. Yeah, 100%, man. One contract is good. Look at that, Ron in Starbucks catching the buys. Good shit, man. Good work, Ron. Good work, man. Got 22 ticks. Very nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. I'm out. Yeah, good, man. Yeah, you got a pretty decent 5-minute rejection there, which is quite nice. Has that dirty looking caught 10 points. Nice. Up 70 ticks. Nice. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah, if this 30 starts closing back below here after grabbing previous 30 highs, shorts wouldn't be so crazy today. But if you just got this move here today, you're pretty much done for the day. But if not, maybe into New York session, we start closing back below here, top wick. This is going to be my downside target here. You kind of got 1, 2, 3 equal lows there, and you have news later on as well. But wait for it to actually close below. Don't try and be the first one in the markets. Like I said on my reel, don't try and be the first one. Let it close, close back below. Confirm that it's time to push down, given that it's so bullish, and just take a little down. Don't look for a huge like swing back down. Gold's very bullish. If you get a little scalp down, 20 ticks, amazing, take it. You do see liquidity grads, which are absolutely brilliant. Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you. How do you know about what retailer is going to set up their stop loss above liquidity? Is it 10, 20 ticks? I have no idea. I never really worry about like how high their stop loss is above this high. I'm pretty much just anywhere around. I prefer, to be honest, I prefer to be entering down here and actually closing full like as soon as you grab the highs. So I don't usually worry about how high it's going to come above here. I'm usually out at the high. But in this situation, because there's just nothing to the left, it was pretty obvious that it was going to spike up like pretty quick and pretty aggressive, more than like 15. At that point, you're already at break even. But with these ones, I prefer to usually be in from down here, and I'm out. Like the trend last Thursday. Exactly, I was in my low, but it gave the entry. It was the other one down, I believe. Yeah, buying in from like here, and I'm already out as you start grabbing highs. But I prefer to be in here. But there's nothing to the left. You know, there's zero price left, no historical price action at all. It's kind of new times for all of us. I've never really traded gold before when there's been a time of just no price action to the left, just new all-time highs. So it's a pretty historical moment for all of us to be watching gold at these levels right now. You know, in the history of gold, we've never closed above 2,100 on the daily other than yesterday. So we're kind of taking these levels together, which is cool.
No target yesterday from to the highs.
Yeah. There's all, it's as if there is, it's like everyone's just pumping gold, pumping Bitcoin, everyone's pumping everything at the minute. Like if you look at this on the daily. Yeah, like this is the first time ever in the history of gold that we've ever closed above 2,100 on the daily. Even when we spiked out all-time highs back in December, we never ever closed above 2,100. So seeing this closure back above here, that's just clear, just run. BTC2, yeah, same as Bitcoin. Speaking of crypto, actually, let me just have a quick look at XRP. Has XRP started to pump a little bit? XRP is kind of the only one I really get interested in. I think it has. Oh, not crazy. Spike in December news. Yeah, I think so. I think it was when the war was kicking off, man. Yeah, I believe so. Yeah. I think gold was ripping all-time highs when we were in Vietnam. Was it when? Was it?
An image that Brett actually showed me with the crypto cycle, which I found very, very interesting for what was about to come.
Traded that big candle on stream, the December one. Yeah, we traded the December one. Yeah, it was huge. I can't remember if I was in Vietnam or I was back home then. Let me have a look, man. Let me have a look.
You come in for a walk and play golf with me.
Which, if it follows that, it means it's still like it's just getting started.
I don't know why it's not loading for me.
Trying to learn more about it.
It's not loading for me for some reason. Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah. I've seen this. Yeah. Bitcoin, Ethereum, large caps, alt season. Yeah. Saw someone else post that on story today.
Come on, Aiden. Come with me.
Oh, yeah, I'll come. Yeah, I'll come.
Let's go. It's actually blue sky.
I already booked my ticket. I'm mad.
Just say.
Listen.
Golf sticks. I think we'll see gold ever going to 1,600 or even 1,800. Nah, yeah, I don't know about 1,600 again. I don't know if you'll see 1,600 again on gold. I mean, you look at gold overall in the monthly. Yeah, you still, this monthly is nowhere near closing. It'll be very interesting to see if March actually closes out of this range. We've been in this range since July 2020. I got into trading gold here, and some of my biggest trades on gold were during these dips and these dips. Yeah, it'll be very, very, very interesting to see if we actually close out of this range on this monthly, or we just keep pushing. You got a little double bottom down there on the monthly though, 1,800. But if if you don't close above on the monthly, could you just continue this overall monthly range? You'd have something pretty big change to say otherwise. Maybe. Retail 5% of the margin. All the banks and major institutions are in collusion to take out the little guys. Nah, I said that earlier. They don't care about taking out the little guys. They don't give a shit about retail stop loss. It's just the way that we perceive the retail traps. Imagine to be a top wick. Yeah, man, it honestly wouldn't surprise me, man. It really wouldn't surprise me. It wouldn't surprise me. I think it would be good. This is a huge push up. We're 5 days into the month, which would be insane. Evening star on the 15. Possibly. Yeah, possibly, man. Didn't really touch off. Start to reject from here. Yeah, I think so. I wouldn't say it's had such a big push, but it definitely, if this starts to close bearish, for sure. US debt goes up by 1 trillion USD 100 days. That's why companies have to go up. Yeah, nice. What you look for on a chart, only previous swing liquidity, and trade only using that. Yeah, pretty much. We're just liquidity grabs and buying up into where most people are trying to sell, buying and selling into where most people are trying to do the opposite. So in the situation today, like we said since we jumped on the stream, buying up into where most people are trying to sell from this resistance here. You guys go back to the start of the stream. We said, this will be a level where retail traders will try jump in shorts here, stop loss just above this high, looking for this big play down. And we are buying up into where most people are trying to sell. I would have loved to have it down here, like I say, but you had this double bottom. If we had grabbed these lows here, buys from here would have been, oh man, fantastic. But I think that's going to be left for later on, which is still great. Are you taking any trades yet? Yeah, we took these little 5-minute gold buys here, man. Little 1.6, little 20-ish tick scalp, nothing huge. But, nice little London scalp. Got a little 5-minute double top. They probably grab the highs maybe a little bit more. US session will be interesting today. You have news and you grab the highs in London. So US session will be very interesting for any guys who are going to trade it.
I'm definitely interested in the US session also.
Yeah, good man.
Something that you can link any of you guys who wants to jump on.
Good man. Grab that double on the hourly. Yeah, I believe so. I think once you start closing back below, yep, I think it looks pretty nice. How high you think it will get? How high do I think it will go, like now or overall? Overall, you could come and fill in the all-time high wick. I don't think that would be too crazy. You're not that far away from it now. Even though this is the weekly. Imagine anyone who's trying to, again, retail traders doing the same thing, probably trying to jump in shorts now, looking for some big swing trades. So to fill in that all-time high wick from December, overall, yeah, it would be nice. Do I think that's going to come in today? Probably not. But depending on how this week goes at the NFP, who knows? But yeah, into the New York session, I do like these lows to get grabbed. But yeah, today I don't really have... This was my liquidity areas. Once these have been grabbed, there's nothing to me to analyze to the left, so I don't really know how high you will go today. But you don't have to worry about how high you're going to go today. Don't think about how high could you go. Just react to what you're seeing. If you're breaking out, just keep following it until it doesn't work. And if it starts closing back bearish, just go short. You got much more clearer downside levels to target than you do to the upside now. My upside targets have been hit, so now there's no more price action up here. Yeah, I would just be making up hypothetical levels of where I think gold could be going today. Or wait for it to create more liquidity again. Like if we do something like this again, like if we do push up and then push back down and then you'll create like a double top there, and then you could be looking for it to push back up again. So you just kind of wait for it to create the next round of liquidity, and then amazing. Be worth holding long. Yeah, hold some runners. I'd close most of your position. But yeah, you're gonna hold a little runner. Why not? He held little runners since last Thursday. You know, little runners would be making absolutely fucking bank right now. Since here, I had, and it's disgusting. But I had buys from Thursday. That's how far back it won't even fucking load. I had buys from down here. If I had just held a very small runner, I would take the rest of the year off. Like this much of movement in gold in Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, not even Tuesday, like 3 days is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, 1,000 pips in fucking 3 days is absolutely insane. It's one of the craziest 3 days I think I've ever seen on gold, to be honest. I don't think I've ever seen 3 consecutive days as bullish as we've seen since last Thursday. It literally looks like a stock or something like that. It's absolutely nuts. It was such a clean trend as well. Even just, you know, like an overall retracement throughout the next like couple of weeks to month or so is still going to be huge as well. That bounce from 2000.
Oil a lot this morning.
Oh yeah, how's she looking?
Don't think he can scalp it. I wouldn't this morning. Shit.
Let's have a look. Yeah, I don't like it.
Yeah,
Let's have a look. Let's have a look on the 5.
I'm gonna jump off.
All good, man. Enjoy.
Go find some food, lads. Happy trading. Might actually see you for US at this time.
Nice, man. Have a good one.
No worries, jump on, man.
See you, man.
Alright, I'm out too. See you guys.
Enjoy, man. See you next time. Last time we got to yeah. Same some. Yeah, well, especially to be fair on oil, that was a pretty nice opportunity there. Grab the lows, close bullish. Triple top.
I think I would have got manipulated, and this is me just being really honest. I think I would have lost so many times if I entered today.
Yeah, this looked like a nice buy as well, to be fair, from here.
Yeah, it's just, it gives you like double tops and then double bottoms, and
Yeah, it's messy, man. It's messy.
but then
To be fair, that was quite nice.
it doesn't give you this morning anyway. So something I'll keep on watching for 2024, hopefully. Like September, I would have got a 2-minute trade.
W for discipline, thank you. See you in New York session. Enjoy. What do you think of S&P? Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I think we had the first bearish close. Sorry, man, go on. You're good.
I'll just set another cycle on the 5-minute. Gold starting to roll over a little bit.
Is it? Nice. Let's have a look. Yeah, look at that 30 now. This is the last 5 more minutes of that hourly is going to close as well. It really wouldn't surprise me to see this hourly start to close back below. That could be pretty. It could be pretty huge there on gold for later on. Yeah, look at that.
Could retrace some of the move, like down to 2093 before going higher. I don't know.
Is that futures?
Yeah. Trading the
20 where, sorry?
2093. Like that's just a level. That's all.
Yeah, probably. I don't think it'd be too crazy.
Roughly 2080. It's just like,
I like these.
I find the direction really hard at the moment.
Yeah. Oh, there's some big size coming in on here on gold now. Some big size coming in. Very, very strong sells coming in here on gold.
Maybe 2014 I was looking at. And that would be daily opening.
Yeah, 2014. Yeah, I like that. I like 2014, man. Yeah, S&P. Let's have a look. I think he closed bearish yesterday. Yeah, nice. He closed bearish yesterday for the first time in quite some time. I wouldn't necessarily start to call it the top just yet, but it's getting there. It is getting there. But let's have a look. What could you see on S&P today? Well, I think even if you're going to see S&P like push lower today, I think you're gonna come up and grab some of these highs. So if you can buy up into that, then you're following the overall trend. So who knows? Could you grab these highs and just keep pushing higher? Possible. But even if you're going to push lower today, you're going to grab these highs before pushing down. You're going to need to grab liquidity, like this. So if in either situation, you need to grab these highs, expose yourself to that. Because who knows, could you break these highs and just keep pushing this overall trend? Possible. So if I had to give a direction, I would be looking for some pullback longs on the S&P before potentially pushing lower or doing something else. But I'll be watching these highs here very closely. And if you start to break back above this little level, you just grab previous 15 lows. Start close back above here. Could actually give you a pretty decent trade for the day. And you wouldn't need to worry about what's going to happen above here. You'd already be in and out before you even do get up here. Whereas most people will draw in these levels, and then they'll wait for price to get into here, and then they'll try and take some sells. But if you think price is going to come that high, well, you may as well take the trade into it. What the hell? Can you guys still hear me?
Yeah.
My mouse is just frozen.
Give it a bit of cheese.
What? Yeah, everything's... Someone like fucking hacking me or something? Everything's frozen. Well, I guess we're staying on stream all night then. What the fuck? I can't do anything. I can't even...
Your chart's counting down, so it doesn't look like the computer's crashed, but... Is it just your mouse?
Well, I just... Oh. No, I'm clicking like escape on my keyboard and it's just making like a weird sound. My demo account's still working. I can't check. I hope so. Well, yeah, I guess
It
was...
might be, your processor just overworked. Just having a little bit of
Yeah, what the
read.
hell? That works. Does anyone know like the... Yeah, I know. What the fuck? Does anyone know like the Mac keyboard like setting to like force quit something here? Oh, it doesn't matter. I can't use the fucking mouse. It's not the mouse though. I can see the mouse is like twitching it and I turn it off. It's because someone tried to join the Zoom as I press something. It's like freaking out. Alright, let me get my other mouse.
I'll do a quick Google search. Force quit keyboard. You wouldn't want that to happen if you're in the trade, would you?
Yeah, I know.
It's F4 it says. Oh no, that's Windows. Option, command, and escape.
I can't even fucking plug this thing in. Alright, let's see if this works. Oh, there we go. We're safe. I thought we were going to have to do a 24-hour stream. Oh, there you go, AJ. Come on. Options, command, escape. Alright, nice. But yeah, that's what I'll be looking for S&P. Don't buy just yet. It's too bearish. Use this level as like your barrier of where you want closures above before going long. But yeah, as soon as you start closing back above there, I would be looking for something like that, man. Let's have a look at this hour close on gold. Not closing below just yet. So you would need, you'd want to see this close below here in order for you to take some sales today. You do have a little 5-minute double top there. Hourly has still closed bullish. So you may also re-grab previous hourly highs. It's possible. I would wait for if it was me personally, I would wait for the next hour of price action personally. Let it make a little bit more sense.
Recording stopped.
Oh, what? Why is the recording stopped? I love that stream will go up. Got a computer guy, Norflex built trading PC. Oh yeah. Anthony, if you can send me that, man. Yeah, yes, please. That'd be great. I think I need it. Good morning, guys. Good morning, man. Good morning. Just as we're about to jump off, man. Just as we're about to jump off, he's joining.
That head was fucking short today. What an absolute net.
Yeah, Zoom guys, I'll let you guys go. That's pretty much the session. Sorry man, what were you gonna say?
No, sorry. I was just going to say I'm going to love you, maybe.
Yeah, me too, man. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the session. We've had a nice little scalp there up to the buys. If you guys didn't get the buys, don't worry. I think you'll still see a push lower today on gold, down into these levels. But I'm gonna actually wait for it to close back below before taking it down. S&P's falling now. Yeah. Don't buy it just yet. It's just had a wait for the closure back above there. It's broken below, retested and pushed lower. If you want to get the longs, you have to wait for it to close back above. Otherwise, you get to the point of trying to predict as opposed to reacting. But yeah, Zoom guys, I'll let you guys go. If anyone does want to watch this little recap of this scalp, it was at 8:20 London time. If you want to rewatch the stream when I upload it into Discord, but I'll talk to you guys in Discord. Probably like the next hour worth of price action. I think we wait for, and then see if we shape up for any shorts. So yeah, I'll let you guys go. I'll talk to you guys in Discord very, very soon. Enjoy, guys.
Cheers.
See you, mate. Enjoy, guys. See you next time. See you guys. All right, YouTube fam, I'm gonna wrap up there. Leave gold now. Nice little scalp there. We got some levels to watch here on gold, but like I just said to guys on Zoom, we're gonna wait for the next hour, see how the price action unfolds. Well, what the hell? Where's all the background and shit just gone? It's really time to end the stream. What the fuck just happened there? Is this even gonna work? Not even gonna work. Oh, we're back. All of a sudden it's back. I don't know what the fuck's going on today. I better turn this computer off before it fucking blows up. But I appreciate you guys taking the time to tune in. Hopefully you got some value from today's stream. If you did, just drop a little like. I'll be live again, same time tomorrow, 7 a.m. till 9 a.m. London time. I'll see you guys there. Enjoy. Peace.